Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Pro quick reviews back at you with another knife review, and today we're doing kind of a neat one. It's a pink dragon knife. It is the TF-707 by TAC Force, and if I can get that light to pop on it like I had it earlier, this thing actually pops pretty good. Let me try to give you a little bit of a close-up. Yeah, you got your dragon right here, so that would be his tail, and then right up here is his head. Flames incorporated on it. It kind of looks red right there, but when you really look at it, it does have a pink holographic feel to it, or look to it rather. Right back here you do have your glass breaker, no seatbelt cutter or anything like that, but if you were to use it like this, yeah, you might want to go blade out, because that trigger right there seems to stick into your palm. Worse if you do it this way. So if you have to use it, make sure that you go blade out instead of blade in. Bam, right there. And right here is going to be your trigger on it. The handle is all aluminum. It's just an aluminum knife. And then, of course, you got your stainless steel blade and your stainless steel plates in there. But it's actually a nice grooved pattern right in there. Just a real simple knife. Let's check this trigger out. No thumb studs or anything. Bam. Super fast, guys. You do have your finger hole right here to get a little bit more control. If you were in a defensive stance, you could still use it. You could even implement it right here to jam. I mean, there's a lot you can do with this knife and this finger hole through the blade. Almost you could, well, if I don't get, look at this. Golly. I'm scared to stick my middle finger in it. I almost got my pointer stuck in there. But let me give you a close-up on this blade. Just got your standard spear point blade right here, which is cool, though. They have the half serration, half straight right down here on the belly. You do have this. It's just red paint. You know, it'd be cool if they would have just made it, I guess, pink to match this. Or I guess that's maybe fire, because the dragons breathe fire. I'm not sure. But that just doesn't look as good. They could have made that holographic or the color of the actual knife. It might blend better. But still, I mean, whatever. It's not that big a deal. Got your TAC Force logo here, and then down here you have Collection Series. So this must be from their Collection Series that they got going on. You have your standard liner lock right there in the middle. Seems to close rather good. Single hand deployment right there. Super fast trigger. Single hand close. No problem at all right there. Let's check out this belt clip on it. It seems to be fairly nice. It's not too beefy of a belt clip. It does sit super high on the knife, which is good, so the knife will sit down all the way in your pocket or vest if you want to go for the concealed side of this. You know, a lot of times they'll put belt clips down here and you have a lot of knives sticking out. So they did do well of putting this one pretty high on there. Again, bam, there's that trigger. Super fast knife, guys. Just a quick review on this. Again, this is the TF-707 Dragon knife, and of course it comes in all kinds of other colors you can get. I don't know why we went with pink. Maybe we thought it was red. Not sure. But anyway, guys, that's the knife right there. Hope the review helped if you were thinking about getting it.